Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful morning outside, and I wanted to just cover a few things with you about the upcoming volleyball and football seasons. As you know, they are a go, and practices are scheduled to start on September 28th, which is next Monday. Games and contests will start on October 8th or 9th. We're still working on those schedules, and I'll have more to say about that in just a moment. You have already registered your child for one of the two fall practice volleyball seasons or fall practice football seasons. We are going to count that as your registration for those two sports so that you don't have to go back in and refill out that information. So we do not want you to re-register your child. You do, however, need to pay for your player to participate. So, having said that, I'm going to just walk you through that process very quickly. This is Ruby. She is a couch potato, but she wants to play volleyball. So we are going to go to the school's website, and we're going to go into the e-store over here. And when we click on that, we'll click on the activity and sport registrations payments, and we're going to look at the view details. And you now see that football and volleyball are selectable to pay. So we're going to click on volleyball, and you may or may not know this, but the junior high tab on the choose one sets your price at $75, and the senior high tab sets your price at $95, which are our two sports fees. So Ruby is in 7th grade, so she's a junior high player. So we're just going to put in Ruby, her first name, her middle initial, and her last name, and her grade as 8th grade. When we're done with that, we can select the add to shopping cart and your child's information we brought into the e-store, where you can then close out your payment. As far as schedules are concerned, let me go back and talk real quick about cash or check payments. They can always be made here in the office Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 4, while we are in the office here. I can't give you much guidance on schedules at this time. They're being talked about behind that closed door right now, and as soon as that information is made available, we'll get that to you as quickly as we can. But this is a great opportunity for me to talk a little bit about the Activity Scheduler app. So if you go onto your phone, we ask that you go to your App Store or your Apple, your Google Store, or whatever it is for Androids, and you download the Activity Scheduler app. It's got a blue baseball cap, and this ties straight into our scheduling program, and you are able to go in here and take a look every day and see what's available as far as what's being done as far as for sports. You can click down here on the bottom and view schedules, and when you click on that, it gives you the list of schedules. And let's say my child is in let's say 7th grade football, and since we don't have any schedules in there right now for 7th grade football, they're not showing up, but there will be a 7th grade football tab in there, and you click on it and it will give you your 7th grade football schedule. As always, you're free to call us here in the activities office, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.